Have you tried starting dropshipping and failed because of the shipping problems, because of the logistics? Now I know how important it is for you to actually get started and to actually have a good shipping company, but it's very hard. In today's video, I'm gonna go over all of the best dropshipping services for logistics and deliveries, and I'm gonna tell you guys my favorite picks, each one of them and their benefits, and I'm gonna let you guys choose which one you guys think suits your business or your dropshipping store the most. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Alright boys, right now we are on my computer, and as you guys can see, I've opened up AliExpress as the first website. You guys know AliExpress is a pain in the ass. It's very hard to actually work with because AliExpress usually takes around 90 days to ship out the product, which is 3 months. When the product even arrives, it's either in bad packaging, or the product is already broken, or it's already stolen in any way possible. It's already damaged. So AliExpress is not the way to go anymore. There is way more better methods, which I'm gonna discuss in this video for you guys today. Now the first thing I'm gonna discuss with you guys is actually CJ Dropshipping. So CJ Dropshipping is a fulfillment / logistics company that actually helps you fulfill your dropshipping products throughout USA. Now when it comes to CJ Dropshipping, it's quite simple. You visit cjdropshipping.com. They have a lot of different sections for different products, which is a good thing and something that I like. But they have something even more better, which is something called trending products. In trending products, they actually show you the latest products. They also show you if you can actually deliver it to the countries that you want to, along with the delivery time. So CJ Dropshipping is not missing out much. It's actually a good tool, but of course when it comes to the pricing, some of the products, their pricing are really high, which is a bit of a problem when it comes to CJ Dropshipping. So this is what CJ Dropshipping looks like. You can literally choose the type of power, light color, quantity, and you can easily check the supplier by contacting them and seeing if they actually do the delivery to your final destination, to the place where you want it to do. So as you guys can see, if we choose CJ packet sensitive as the shipping method, we can see that the shipping method is only at 15 days, which is not that bad, and the tracking information is also available. So overall, I would probably rate it like a 7 out of 10. And yes boys, I am gonna rate all of these other dropshipping logistic companies boys. So I'm gonna rate all of these out of 10. And for CJ Dropshipping, since it has a lot of good winning product, easy to actually connect with Shopify, I am gonna rate it a 7 out of 10. Now also CJ Dropshipping has fast shipping, so it has, you know, some sort of contract with DHL, which makes it even faster, and it also gives you a chance to calculate your shipping, which is another good option to CJ Dropshipping. So you guys might want to take advantage of it. So then we have Spocket. Now Spocket is something that was very famous back in the days. It's still very famous, but not as much as it used to be. Spocket is actually a great tool in order to find a few winning products and also get their shipping out to USA. Now Spocket is also something that's been used by a lot of different influencers. If I go to Spocket right here, you guys can see the information that they have. So they have the dropshipping suppliers for EU and US. So they have it for Europe and they have it for USA, which is a good addition. Your dropshipping store, if you want to actually get into the different market, the benefits they actually have is the fact that you're able to sell with ease, you're up to date with the inventory, you have the best quality products because they actually give you the products too, you have great profit margin because their prices are low, and super fast delivery as they have mentioned it. So Spocket is quite simple, and they use the exact same method as of dropshipping, which is quite simple. Customer purchases the product from your store, their order goes directly to the supplier, which is Spocket, and then Spocket takes care of the shipping and ships it out to the customer, and you keep the profit. Now that is the benefit of Spocket, but the problem with Spocket is it's a bit expensive when it comes to the monthly package. Now if I was to rate Spocket out of 10, I'll probably give it a 6 out of 10. It doesn't take the position out of CJ Dropshipping. I'll be very clear and honest with you guys, especially with the fact it is expensive and it is paid for you to actually use Spocket. The next thing I'm gonna jump into is called USA Drop. If you guys don't know USA Drop, it's currently been blowing up recently. Actually, they have had a lot of different reviews about them, and I've seen a lot of people talking about USA Drop. Now USA Drop is something that isn't as old as these other logistic companies. These guys have good products, but they don't have as many winning products as, for example, let's just say CJ Dropshipping or Fulfillment. Now when it comes to USA Drop, again, it has its own benefits. When it comes to the delivery time, in USA it's only 6 to 13 days, which is something similar to CJ Dropshipping. Canada 7 to 13 days, UK 7 to 12 days, Europe 7 to 12 days, Australia 7 to 15 days, New Zealand 7 to 15 days. So if you're a high volume seller, you can actually apply it through here and you can actually get a special quotation from USA Drop. Of course, you guys can get in contact with them. Now what they do is sourcing, which is getting the products for you, warehousing, keeping the products for you, shipping, which is something that they have as an add-on with the fulfillment, and branding. So if you want to add branding to your product, you can easily do it through USA Drop. And yeah, so the last but not least, boys, we're gonna talk about fulfillment, something that I've been using for the past few months. Fulfillment has been a game changer, boys, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. The first thing I'm gonna do is straight up jump into the time of shipping that they have. So if I go to 17 track and ship out some of my past orders, you guys will see how quick they can deliver all over Australia, all over USA. I'm just gonna paste some of the old orders that I've had. I'm just gonna click on track. You guys will be able to see how quick they have been shipping out my orders to Australia. So 8 days, 6 days, right over here. You guys will see the time by yourself. Even if you guys want to track it by yourself, you guys can check it by yourself. Again, Netherlands in 3 days only, USA in 6 days. And this by far is the fastest shipping I've ever seen in any of the delivery logistic companies. Out of all of the old companies that I've mentioned to you guys, this has been the quickest one. When it comes to shipping time, fulfillment, which you guys can just check right here, fulfillment.com, has been the fastest. Now the best part about fulfillment is that they have a free quote section where you guys can get a free quote for any type of service that you want, whether it's dropshipping service, whether it's China sourcing, whether it's, you know, even product photography. So even they do that for you. But fulfillment has been a game changer. Imagine 3 days of delivery to Netherlands. That just sounds impossible to anyone. You tell them that, hey, I had my order delivered to Netherlands in 3 days and to USA in 6 days, the minimum amount of time, they would just not believe it. Other than that, they have so many other benefits such as high quality items and service. Now when it comes to fulfillment, if you want, you can even receive the order to your house first, so you can test out the product even if it is a winning product. So you can actually check the product by yourself by checking the quality of how you receive the product, and then you can actually go ahead with fulfillment. So fulfillment has these benefits that no other companies has. Like you can literally test out the product by ordering it to your own house and seeing if the quality of the delivery was good enough or not. And this is something that in dropshipping you must do. You must test out your product and you must see the quality and see that if it meets the top-notch quality or not. The other benefit I love about fulfillment is the fact that they have a dedicated account manager. What that means is that there's going to be someone answering all of your questions, helping you and guiding you through your account. And if you ever have anything, any doubt, any question, they will be there to support and help you out. And the best part, refund for any issues, no questions asked. If there is any issue that comes from the fulfillment itself, from the logistic company itself, they have automated refund, no questions, no back and forth, nothing like that. If the problem was with the fulfillment throughout the delivery process of something happening to the product, fulfillment will completely do the whole refund, which is the best thing about fulfillment, because a lot of the times when we actually ship out the order, there can be a lot of problems like breaking of the product or the customer not receiving, but these problems can easily be solved by having a reliable company like fulfillment taking care of your products. Now of course, if you guys want to actually use fulfillment, they have a lot of other benefits. You guys can check out the website such as Skype. They have support on email, support on their mobile number. If you guys want to use it, visit fulfillment.com. It's something that I would suggest you guys even in 10 years, in 20 years, and it's something that I've been using myself. You guys can easily get a free quote from them by just going to fulfillment.com, asking them about the quote that you need, and they will be able to actually give you and support you through whatever support that you need. So if you guys are interested, out of all of those, in my opinion, fulfillment gets a 9.5 out of 10 with the amount of benefits that they have, with the amount of quick shipping time that they have, and all of the things that I've listed before. So if you guys are interested to use them, make sure you guys check out fulfillment.com. make sure you guys do not miss out on this huge opportunity. Their prices are also amazing if you guys get a quote by yourself. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys check them out, and peace out. I'll see you guys in the